Hey guys, what's up? This is Ken, and today I'll be doing a review of a Gemini Jets Boeing 747-8i in the Air Force One colors, and of course, Air Force One still remains a Boeing 747-200, and this is the 8i variant. So this is a fantasy model, and it's very nice, and hopefully the new versions of Air Force One will be this 747 variant. Okay, so I'll start here at the nose of the plane with the cockpit windows and windshield wipers, and then the refueling hump all the way at the nose. Then you have your pitot tubes and sensors, as well as the front landing gear, which does roll, as well as your L1 boarding door and the presidential seal. Then there's also the door on the upper deck, as well as some antennas. Then there's also the escape hatch for the pilots in the cockpit. Okay, so then moving on, there's the USA titles. Then that blue from the front just continues on all the way towards the rear, as well as that gold banding that goes around the entire plane. Okay, so then there's your left side landing lights, which are very nice and detailed. There's for your left side engines with each with the engine rakes, and also the very nice chevrons in their backs. Okay, so then moving on towards the back part of the wing, there's one part of the Air Force logo, because this is an Air Force plane. There's your left side fuel dump valve, as well as your left side navigation light, and then you can slightly see the curl at the very end of the wingtip, which is very nice. It's very detailed. Okay, so going on to rear of the plane, there are some more windows. There's an overwing exit. There's your L3 boarding door. Then there's the Air Force logo again. Your L4 boarding door. There's your vertical stabilizer with the US flag, and then the registration, which is 38,000, which will most likely be the registration on the next versions of Air Force One. Okay, so I'll move on to the APU, which is a very nicely detailed APU. It's very large and pronounced. Then there's your horizontal stabilizers with the elevators, and even though they're not shown, there should be two dots on each horizontal stabilizer, which are the lights that illuminate the vertical stabilizer at night. So moving on to the other side of the plane, there's again the US flag, as well as again the Air Force logo, and then your R4 boarding door, your row of windows right there. There's your R3 boarding door, the overwing exit or escape. There's your right wing with the right landing lights, and then your right engines again with the brakes and the chevrons. Then there's the other Air Force logo. Then here's your right side fuel dump valve and your right side navigation light with again the curl at the very end of the wing. Okay, there is your R2 boarding door. Again, the USA titles. There's the rope windows on the upper deck with again the antennas. And then there's the R1 boarding door with the pitot tubes and sensors. The presidential seal with the forward cargo door, which is very nice and detailed. And again, there's your front landing gear with the refueling hump at the very front of the plane. And then, even though you can't see them, there's the main and landing gear, which also roll. So there's that. I hope you liked my review of the Air Force One 747-8I. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.